Hey, let's unbox this new Teams UI. So there's a new streamlined experience for chats, teams, and channels. So basically, what's going to do, it's going to regroup my Teams channels and my chat in the same environment. And you're going to have to do that for all the teams I mean, the tenant you're part of. So this is a demo tenant because I didn't want to shot something in my environment. Um, and so you're gonna have to, if you have several, if you're part of several teams, you need to reorganize all those teams. I mean by that, not in a team, but in a tenant, or yeah, if you're invited as a guest, I guess it's the same thing here. I have another account in another tenant, so I have to do that for each of them. So that's the first feedback because I just did it in my tenant. And what is the goal of this new UI? It's really to streamline, as I said, the experience because now you can centralize everything under chat and you can organize, you can create your favorite, you can create your own section. So let's see it in action. So I'm gonna get started here. So here you see now I don't have anymore the icon teams. I just have chat. And under chat, I see a lot of things. It tells me chat, teams, and channels are all in one list. Yeah, if I didn't notice it, let's see what it says. Create custom sections. Oh, that's here. It was not, very easy to find, but remember that if you want to organize your stuff, you need to go there. So now I got it. Main things. Oh, there's something more. Show message preview, separate chat from teams and channels. Okay, I got it. So I can see the Discover Copilot. Nice to have Copilot here. Can filter by ad mention, and I can see my favorite. So I pin some favorite, like there's a meeting in my favorite, and I can see all the chats that I have, and I can see all the teams like before. So pretty simple. Um, Everything is centralized. It's small, so you need to have good eyes. But what's interesting is to be able, like for me, it's to be able to create sections. So I'm going to create a section here where it says create a section. I'm going to say my projects. And now I can centralize in this section. So here it is. So I can move it above, favorite, or under wherever I want. But now I'm going to go. This is one of my projects. So I can take this channel and move it or show it in the section My Projects. And so now I see the general channel. Sometimes it's the name of the team. It's pretty really weird. I've seen in my real environment it took not the name general but the name of the the yeah the name of the team. Maybe if I was taking this one and say okay this is another project. Let's see if I show it in my project, will it show? Okay, I have two generals. So here it's important to have an image, but you can all, you know, you can see by overing the name of the channel, you can see what team it is part of. And if I click on the channel, it will jump and select, as you can see, select the right channel. So I can organize by section. So I can say, sorry, I can add a note. It's here. My my brain needs to be rewired. So I can say my teammate project. That's, a way to organize it. You're gonna find your own way to organize it. I can move it here. Can say, okay, maybe uh, this one, let's say this one is in my team project. Um, and let's say this one also is in my team project. Show in my team's project. Okay. Now I have my project, my team's project. I can create all my favorite, and I see the chats. I can eventually say, okay, um, I don't know if it makes sense here, but I can move this. So it's not here show in, it's move. So I can move things around. So I'm not sure. I can say, okay, I want to move this in my team's project. So maybe actually what I'm gonna do, because here it's a tenant to do demonstration about Copilot. So I'm gonna rename this section and I'm gonna rename Copilot demonstrations. That's good. And so this one I don't need it anymore. So maybe I can drag and drop outside. What? No. Oh, yeah. Apparently, no. It stayed. So I need to move to. I'm not sure what happened here. Move to. No, I want to get rid of it. So how do I get rid of it? Uh-huh. Because I want to go back where it was. So it was, where was it? It was here. It's a general. I don't want to show it anymore. Please tell me I can say I don't want to show it anymore. I don't want to create a new section. Oh, okay, here it is. Remove from section. Just have to read. Okay, but I know that I'm working with Noah and chat, so I can demonstrate Copilot in chat. I know this is a meeting that I use to demonstrate Copilot in Teams meetings. So pretty cool because now I have everything I need to do demonstration about Copilot. I have my team right away, I have my buddy right away, and I have my meeting right away. So you can also use filter. You can see, I just want to see channels. I want unread in channels. I can just filter on chats. Okay. And if I unclick, I see everything. What is Copilot? I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, it goes to Copilot. No, pretty simple. Nothing surprising here. It's a shortcut to go to Copilot because before you obviously you can go here, but before it was in the chat. So now it's here. Um, so I can find my bearings pretty easily. So very nice. What can I show? What can I show? Maybe I can show you how to reverse it. So you go into settings and there's a new chat and channels here. And if you're not comfortable with the combined experience, want to go back, you just need to go separate. Let's do that. Hopefully it won't break. It's telling me help us to improve the new chat and channel experience. It says, okay, no, I don't want to help you. So if I go separate, now I see back my Teams icon here and my chat. Still smaller. Um, let's see if I go back to the combine, if I lost everything I did. That's what I'm interested in. So again, chat and channels, let's say combine, and I'm gonna go back to chat, and everything is there. So I'm not losing it when I switch back to the old UI. Now it's already old. It's not broken. So pretty cool, pretty easy, easy to focus. When you're in a team, wherever you feel that you're working and this should be part of one of your section, you can just go click on it and say show in, and you choose a section or you create a new section on the fly. So it's pretty simple. I thought it will be more disruptive. It's smaller, but I feel it's easier to read. I have more information. I can follow everything. Let's see if there's other options. I can collapse sections. I can customize the view. I'm not sure what that is. So I'm going back here. So, okay. Uh, what else there is? Here, there is, okay, you can, from, if you want to start a new message, so you want to start a new chat, that's where it's happening. If you want to start a new channel, that's where it's happening, and all the rest. And don't forget the new section. I think it's the most important to create your section. So basically, it's pretty interesting because you can now organize what's important for you in the same section. Well, I'm gonna do in my tenant all my active projects and maybe all my teammate projects. And maybe I'm going to have other sections like important teams, informative teams. I don't know how I'm going to organize it, but it's a way to organize everything and focus more easily. And I can do that on the fly. I can change it. I can rename. I can move things around. Pretty useful. And I like the fact that I can centralize, for example, in a section, all the messages that are important. So it's not disjointed. So sometimes you know that people are not using Teams post. They send you Teams message directly on the project when there's a team. So here you can blend everything and move the chat that are connected to the project in the same section than the Teams and eventually also the meetings. So that's a very good way to centralize things and have a better understanding. I think it will change a lot of things positively for users. Hope this was insightful.